Hello, welcome to this short but important presentation where I show you how to easily convert your PDF documents to Word document without internet connections. Only subscribe if the tip helps you out. Let us start. See the PDF document I want to convert. First of all, open the Word document. At the left-hand side, click on the File menu, select Open. Click on Browse to select your preferred PDF document to be converted. Finally, click OK to continue when prompted as shown on the screen. The PDF document conversion process could take minutes depending on the length. As you can see, my PDF document has finally been converted. Check it out. There is no big difference or issues with the converted document. You can use this tip to convert as many documents as you want. No need for internet, and it's equally free and easy to use. Many people are not aware of this simple Microsoft Office conversion tips. Check out other tips to restore and increase your PC performance in my playlist. Kindly support us by subscribing to our channel. Like and share our videos for more.